Alright guys, we are at Hemlock Cliffs. It was quite a drive and a beautiful one. I'll try to videotape it on the way back and show you some of the roads. Danger cliff area. Now there's a waterfall here and we're going to go down and check it out. So I'm going to turn this off because it's possible that I might run out of video since my other video that I made this morning is downloading or uploading and I can't delete it yet, so I have to be careful. So I'll put this on pause till we get down there. Beautiful. Max is happy. I did this last time I was here with my cousin Ann and my sister Pam, and I thought, oh, this hiking's not too bad. It's all downhill, right? Wait till you go uphill. I have to stop a lot. I didn't realize, living in Florida, we don't have heels, so it uses different parts of your body muscles. All right, we'll see you down there. Hold on, Max. Okay, so they have a marked diamond. I got them on the white diamond trail. Let me get lost out here. I know we got on a really tiny trail, and there wasn't even any trail left when we got finished. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to go down to the waterfalls. I hear something. I don't know if that's water or what. Look. We got some treacherous steps here. I better pay attention. Goodness. Okay. Maybe it's the road. Oh boy. I'm not going down there, am I? Boy, oh boy, I don't know if I can... What? Wait a minute. Hold on, no, Max. What? Okay, let's see. Maybe they're natural steps? What? I think I took the wrong way. We're not going down there, are we? Okay, well, let's do it. Let's do this, Max. I guess they're... Oh, this doesn't look safe. Okay. What? Alrighty, let me turn my camera off. Wow.
Leave me here. This is my life now. Come here. Come on. This is my life.
Want to go say
Go
hi?
about me. Go about me. I don't live here. I can make a fire.
Look at this. Wow. That's where we came down. It is crazy beautiful. It's kind of treacherous, but it's fun. I brought my drink too, so I've got Max, my camera, and okay. Already out of shape, so we will just try and take it slow. And Max is trying to catch up with them boys. He loves kids. He's like, why didn't those boys say hi to me? Not everybody does, Max. No, I don't know if it's rained enough for them to be a waterfall yet. We'll come back this fall if not. Definitely come back this fall. Can you imagine this would look like in the fall? Probably a lot of people around here then too. Okay, yeah, it's just trickling right now.
You guys look up this way.
Oh, wow.
Guys, look up this way.
Shows you how tall that is, those people down there. Max wants to go down there. Okay. Well, we'll go down there. I don't know. I don't know, Max. As long as it's not slippery. That's cool. I wonder if there's an easier way to get down there. I think there is. Let's try the way they're going. The kids are... This might be an easier way. Look at, they've made like roots, steps. I'm taking it slow. This girl has been resting too long with the surgeries that I've had, and look at that. Steps to go down even farther. I know there's another waterfall back that way, but we're not going there. It's quite a walk. We just came out for a little drive today. And you're okay, Max. Okay. I don't want to let him go because he'll run off if he sees a squirrel or something. Never find him out here. Huh. Want to say hi, Max? Oh, this is pretty wild for us. All right, we're at the bottom. The water comes down.
Mom, where's the rain coming from? I mean, the water. From up there. Is it drinkable?
Might find some arrowheads. I'm kind of just following the crowd because I haven't been this way before. We didn't come down here. We went the other direction. So. Oh, there's a dog. Max, don't pull me now. Look how pretty. There's a big old rock in the middle of that fell. I hope we don't run into any snakes. Gotta look out for those too, I forgot. We're in the wilderness. It's a park, but there's no bathrooms. It's all natural. Okay. Look at that. You having a hard time walking on them rocks? We're not gonna go too far. Hey, come on. Oh yeah, Max is having a tough time. What's the matter, baby? Alright. We're heading back. I may just sit somewhere enjoy nature for a bit. Oh gosh. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is for all of you guys who can't get out of the house. I'm sorry. I hope you can enjoy my video. If you have any suggestions how to do it better, let me know. This is my first time hiking, so be gentle with me. Oh, my breath is taken away. How beautiful it is. Okay. There's another doggy. We got the waterfall to ourselves now. Kids are gone. Feel like standing under it. Like I said, we haven't had a lot of rain. Ann says this is people swim in this whenever we get a lot of rain. This is full of water. So it's like a swimming hole, but right now it's been, I guess it's been dry. She says it rains a lot in the fall. Here's where it's come down. I don't really want to get wet. But, yeah. What do you think, Max? Is that fun? There's a lot of caves in this area. We'll be trying to explore everything we can before winter comes. So we're going to head back up. Beautiful. Just take our time here. That's why I didn't want to come the other day. It had rained. You don't want to do this after it's been raining. That looks like a rose bush almost. Because you will slip in the mud. See, they're using roots for steps. Okay. I'm going to turn my camera off. You guys probably don't want to hear me grunting and groaning. Hi. I think we're going to go this way. It's Saturday. When me and Pam and Ann came, there wasn't anybody here. Maybe we passed one person. Oh, please. He's been wanting somebody to pet him all morning.
The big rock's coming up. Can we pet it?
Yeah.
Coming up.
Oh,
Big rock.
we gotta go up here. Yeah. So I'm signing off until we get up there. We're gonna take our time going up. My dog didn't like to do that either. This place has like 3 waterfalls. We just went to the first one. Second one's a pretty far hike, and I haven't been to the other one. We'll get there. We'll get there. The more I get out, the more I get in shape, right, guys? Yeah. Thanks for encouraging me to get out and do a video. Wow, it goes far. These are some tall, tall trees. Oh, wow. Very tall trees. Okay, guys, so I'll show you the road getting out of here. And then I may have to use, hold on. I was thinking I had to use my phone for my GPS, but I got my TomTom, so let me set that. We'll be on our way, guys. Okay, so it's telling me to turn around. Hopefully, my GPS sometimes doesn't know what it's doing, especially out here on these roads. Definitely have no internet out here. And I'm not used to driving on these rough gravel roads. My goodness. Now, I grew up on these kind of roads, guys, but it's been a very, very long time. Very long time. I mean, and can you imagine doing this in the snow? This is about as steep as the hill was that we grew up on, and we had to put chains on our car to get up it. And sometimes we didn't make it up it. We have to get out of the car and walk in snow drifts. I mean, it was a lot more snow back then. So, and I'm talking about when I was so young that the snow was over my head in snow drifts. Oh my. Next time I'll try to make more like a professional tour, like of the park. But yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. I like to just kind of make it more personal too, and you know, I show you what it's really like to just step around and get down there and stuff. So sometimes when you get on those sites and they show you those parks, right? It looks easy, and then you get there and it's like, oh my goodness. Okay, let me pay attention and I'll be back with you guys. Look at them beautiful flowers. Oh.